Naval Support Activity Panama City, or NSAPC, is a key U.S. Navy base located in Florida. It's a shore installation, meaning it's a land-based facility supporting naval operations. NSAPC hosts several important tenant commands, each with a unique mission. One major command is the Naval Surface Warfare Center Panama City Division, or NSWC-PCD. NSWC-PCD is the research and development arm of the base, focused on naval technologies. Another vital command is the Center for Explosive Ordnance Disposal and Diving, or CNEDIV. CNEDIV trains personnel to handle and neutralize explosive threats. The Navy Experimental Diving Unit, or NEDU, is also located at NSAPC. NEDU evaluates and improves diving equipment and techniques for the Navy. The base was originally established in 1945 as a mine countermeasure station. Over the years, it has been renamed and reorganized to reflect its evolving mission. In 2007, it became Naval Support Activity Panama City, shifting to its current tenant command structure. NSAPC includes waterfront port facilities for naval vessels. It also has a heliport to accommodate naval helicopters, including the MH-53E Sea Dragon. The Navy Diving Salvage and Training Center trains divers for challenging missions. These missions include wreckage recovery, mine defusing, and reconnaissance. NSWC-PCD conducts research on littoral warfare, which focuses on coastal regions. This research includes optics, acoustics, mine warfare, and robotics. The base employs approximately 1,100 scientists and engineers. The Littoral Warfare Research Facility is a dedicated R&D center for coastal warfare technologies. Past engineering projects include the Swimmer Delivery Vehicle for underwater operations. Another project is the Joint Architecture for Unmanned Systems, or JUS. The Landing Craft Air Cushion, or LCAC, is another notable project originating from the base. NSAPC continues to play a critical role in developing and supporting naval capabilities.